Hi, it's Chris with TwainingWheels. Welcome back. We survived day one, but to be fair, day one was pretty easy. In this video, we're going to tackle day two. It's not quite as easy. There's driving rain, there's getting lost, there's forgetting to eat. It's a whole big thing. Check it out. Day two is upon us. Today we're going to be riding from West Palm Beach to Indiantown. Same clothes as yesterday. It's merino wool. Doesn't stink. I can wear it forever. Day two is underway. We're under the overpass. Raining pretty good. Supposed to stop any time now. We got about 45 miles to go to our campsite for tonight. And we're going, rain or no rain. This is my friend JJ.
Nice to meet you.
Just met him outside of Starbucks. Right and we're having a discussion on how we're going to fix the world.
Well, wait a minute.
And I think JJ's got it figured out.
I'm enjoying this conversation.
I'm gonna be looking forward to his to letting me know how he's solved all these big problems that we face after he gets his coffee.
I'll join whoever else is fixing problems.
This is from my friend Maria. She and I are both gonna have the best day we've ever had today because it's the only day we've got, right, Maria?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I'm on the Ocean to Lake Florida Trail. Check this thing out. So I had kind of a fun little incident. I got on this trail in this park and the rain stopped, so I stopped. I took my crossing guard vest off, took my rain jacket off, put my rain jacket on the bike, got a little ways down the trail, and my phone alerted me that my wallet was missing. Turned out that when I put my crossing guard vest on the bike, I just left it there and put it back on. So I rode a few feet and it fell off right here in the mud. So, you know, technology's not all bad. Now I think we found the trail that Kamut was looking for. This is Florida. I'm out in the middle of a nature preserve just north of Lake Okeechobee, pedaling my bike through grassy plains, and I came upon this shelter and decided to have a little rest. You don't ever see anything like this. You have to go look for it. I'm glad I found it. A great day. It looks like I gotta take this road down to kind of the end of the water there and go across and then come back up this road. And the rain's back. It's awesome. As soon as I got far enough away that it didn't make sense to go back, you can see the road behind me. The Deluge. When I tell people I'm gonna do something like this, lots of times they say, how do you know how to do that? And I say, well, I don't know, I'll just figure it out. Well, this is figuring it out. So, it's day two. It's late in day two. I am fucking tired. I'm supposed to go that way. It's private property. I pick the bike up, put it over the fence, take my chances. I'm gonna try that way first. If I have to come back, I'll come back. It's just an adventure, baby. Now, I've never been in this situation before, but what I'm thinking is if an alligator comes out of there in the middle of the night, at least he'll have to avoid the bike. Hey, we survived another day of this big adventure. I appreciate you joining me. If you haven't watched the whole series, here's a link to the playlist right here. Go back to the beginning and see what's going on. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, man, I'd really appreciate it if you did. Just click this link right here. Have a great day.